Hello friends, you are participating in the workshop of trace management and sustainable well-being during COVID and post-COVID. This workshop is very vital and timely organized by KTHM College and Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya Schemes Faculty Development Center of Savitribai Phule Pune University. Under the leadership of the senior academician of Maharashtra, Dr. V.V. Gaikwad sir, and his team. In that Gunjal sir is there, Mughal sir is there, then Gaikwad sir is there. Keeping the eye on the issues of how to handle the trace of student during this uncertain period, and also taking the society's care regarding this, how to guide the society. The role of NSS officers and role of student development officers is very vital in higher education arena. Actually, due to this uncertain situation and COVID pandemic situation, everything become uncertain. It has been changed totally. Every person, every human and every institute and every system and the process in the higher education has been changed now. Then what is this change? The prime change in this uncertain situation is health. Health is the prime issue. It become a way, and it has a two aspect. And considering this theme of this workshop is rightly selected. I think the first aspect of higher health during this period and after also, it will be a personal health. In that, the personal hygiene, exercise and nutrition and rest is very important regarding this. It was previously also important, but it is underlined now due to this pandemic situation. Also along with that, the another aspect is the mental health. And in this mental health, how to guide our students. They does not have the idea of whether the examination will be happen, what happens our academic life, and understanding the academic life and totally wholly the wider life of student is very important for guiding them by the student welfare officers and NSS officers, principals and all the stakeholders of higher education actually who want to contribute to the society and student at a large. In that, mental health plays a very important role. Trace is also one of the aspects and where it affects the mental health of the students. Why this change occurs? And in that time, the philosophy of life of the student needs to be understood. Whether it is positively taken care by them, by their parents' gift, by their friends' effect, or teachers, or whatever may be the so many people's life impacted on the student life, and the philosophy of life is created or developed. And in that line, the positive philosophy of life, not to have problem, create the problem for society, himself and family and friends, that is also important. And another aspect is that the adjustment in the life, and adjustment actually taking care of the mental health of any person. And that is why understanding the life of student, and in that time health is a prime, health life, mental health life. I can say just now I talked to you about the personal life, and next important thing is the academic life. In that, students are uncertain that what will be happen to my this year's examination, whether it will be completed, when the next year admissions will be happen, and everything will be go on like it will be not like a previous years what they had experienced. And as per the objectives of higher education, the research, teaching and extension, and you are taking up this third pillar of higher education, that is the extension, by extension contributing as a NSS officers and student welfare officers. Friends, you are rightly chosen to participate in such a workshop. Hope that your capability of delivering these services to the student and society may have increased due to this participation in the workshop, and you may have get a knowledge level change. And I hope that I am very confident that raising this knowledge regarding how to handle the student and society at a large in this COVID situation and post-COVID situation. And during this workshop, the knowledge received, skills received, attitude received, I think it will hope to you to serve better to the nation through the students and to the society. Wishing best to you after completing this course, when you will deliver your services, that the impact will be there and you will efficiently contribute regarding this line. I appreciate the efforts taken by Principal Gaikwad Sir and KTHM College and their team to organize such a timely, important issue-based workshop and benefiting to our large fraternity of NSS officers and student welfare societies. Wishing best, appreciating the efforts taken by the KTHM College, and wishing best to all the participants and success their life. Thank you and Jai Hind.